Meet the ultimate RV TV guide, your road trip's new best friend. Did you know 89% of RVers crave better entertainment? This guide's got data-driven tips to boost your travel TV game. Size matters. Don't squeeze a cinema into your camper closet. Find out why 19-inch TVs fit most RV spaces perfectly. 1080p displays mean your soap operas look extra dramatic. Built-in DVD players, because Wi-Fi in the woods is a myth. Remote controls included. No more fighting over who changes channels. Compact design? Yes, your TV won't hog all the snack space. 12V power means your TV won't drain your battery like a thirsty camel. Smart streaming features. Netflix in the forest, anyone? Portable TVs double as outdoor movie night heroes. Built-in antennas. Catch signals even at the edge of civilization. High-definition screens make even squirrel documentaries epic. Easy installation tips, because you'd rather be hiking than wiring. Multiple input ports, plug-in consoles, laptops, or even a disco ball, Dolby Digital. Plus, your RV shakes with every explosion. Versatile stands let you park your TV anywhere, except the driver's seat. Photo frame mode, show off vacation photos, not just reruns. All-in-one media solution saves space for more marshmallows. Guidance on mounting, avoid accidental TV bungee jumping. Full HD means no more squinting at blurry weather forecasts. Robust power compatibility works in trucks, campers, or lunar rovers. Expert tips help you avoid rookie mistakes, like upside-down screens. Enhance your entertainment, whether parked or rolling. For RV owners, travel lovers, and road trip fanatics alike. Upgrade your mobile living room with confidence and data. The Ultimate RV TV Guide, your ticket to epic road trip TV. Click the link in the description to find out more.